My name is Shay. I am a full-time reseller on Poshmark, eBay, and Mercari.
I'm Tyler, a part-time seller on Poshmark, eBay, Mercari.
Adorable. And today's video, and this is Maxie, which we will be talking about in 1 second. In today's video, we are going to be doing the Thredup Premium accessory box.
Yes.
So there's questions here, but first I wanted to address Max. So if you guys follow me on Instagram, you know that we found out yesterday, or was it the day before?
It was the night before last.
Okay, the night before last, that she had some kind of a lump on her, and we went and got it checked out, and basically what they told us was it is not cancer, but she does have a mammary tumor, and she will have to have surgery. We don't know when yet. They have to have a consultation and all of these things, so to be determined, but she is a older dog, so we want to make sure that everything gets taken care of. But yeah, so if we have seemed a little bit
we've had a lot going on. Yeah. So with the power going out for the hurricane or tropical
we had
storm,
no power last night at all. So
it's been a rough few days.
Yeah, so we're a little late today doing this video. We normally pre-record and we're not doing that. But yeah, so I just wanted to put that out there so you guys know what's going on in our lives, and if there's any other weird stuff that happens, it's likely something to do with her surgery.
So you want to start with the controversy of this box?
Yeah, so this box is a little strange. So my friend, Married Life, I can link her below. I don't know if she's put out her video yet, but she had posted on Instagram that these boxes were released. I never heard of them before. Yeah. And they were $90, and it was 5 items, premium accessories. And the picture was bags. But then I logged in when I saw her post, and it was $150 premium accessories for 5.
Yeah.
So I was like, nah, it's too expensive. That comes out to like 20 something or 30 something per item, and I can't do that. So then I logged in the next day and I found $90 for premium accessories, but it was DIY. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna give it a shot. $90, I can deal with that. However, another friend of mine on Instagram got the box at $150. And it was the same thing, 5 premium accessories, and she asked them what the difference between the $90 box and the $150 was. And they told her that one was DIY and one was not. So mine does state DIY. However, hers was damaged, and we did see that it did not say DIY on the others previously. So who knows what's going on in here? The other thing we know is that a lot of the boxes, or all of the boxes that have so far been opened publicly, have included Cleobella, which is strange that it would be the same brand all. So I don't know what's going on there.
So this might be another classic Thredup bait and switch.
Yes, but we did get the DIY, so we are expecting some damage. That said.
Moment of truth.
Okay, so this is the box. so this is what it looks like. Let me see this while you're doing that.
Maxie, it's not for you. It's not Bark Box.
So yeah, it just says mix sizes, rescue box, premium DIY. That's all it says.
She's still going at it.
So.
Okay.
All right, you're gonna start off. Bubba, come on.
This is Whitney Davis.
Never heard of this. So if you guys know what this is, it's very sparkly. Whitney Davis. There's a little chain in here, but I don't think it connects. So maybe that's the damage. I don't know. But anyway, so other than the chain part, it looks cute. I never heard of this, so yeah.
This is Sandra Roberts, I believe.
Never heard of that either.
There's a little bit of damage, but that should buff out on the outside.
So this is, it's Sandra.
Sandra Roberts.
Sandra Roberts, if you guys can see it. Again, not something I have heard of, but it's cute. There is this damage that he's talking about, but we think we can probably fix that up. So, I don't know. What is that?
Loeffler Randall?
Oh, okay. So I've heard of this through Voyages of Herb. I've only seen them get shoes, but it's very lightweight. Doesn't feel great in the inside, so I'm not sure.
The zipper's messed up.
Oh, the zipper's messed up?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, there is no zipper.
Well, it's not great.
So, but, I mean, we'll see. I don't know what it is, but we'll see.
This is Kate.
But there's only 4.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, so we only got 4 items. Unless there's, I don't know.
No, this is, unless they're counting this giant one as 2 items, but.
Why would that be 2 items?
I don't know.
Okay, so this is Kate Spade, if you can see. I mean, this is fine. I don't have anything against Kate Spade. I actually really enjoy her personally. I don't know how this would do, but it's not horribly damaged. There is damage here in the corners. But yeah, I mean, it's fine. But my biggest problem is that we're missing an item.
So we are going to have to reach out to Thredup.
Yeah, so we will be reaching out to Thredup because we only got 4 items, so that's really strange. But yeah, so as for this box, I mean, I don't know what I would say about if I recommend it or not because I don't know any of the brands except for Kate Spade. La Ferrandel I've never grabbed before. With the zipper broken, I mean, maybe we can get it replaced if it's worth it, but just feeling it, I don't know that. I don't know. It just doesn't, it feels like one of those things you would get for like free with something. Like that's what it feels like to me. So anyway, if you know any of these brands, leave a comment down below and let me know what you know about them and what you think. And then if you've had experience with Thredup not giving you an item, let me know. We usually do update videos letting you know how things sell and stuff like that. And in that video, we will let you know if we got a new item. I will probably release it on my Instagram first, so if you're not following me there, that will be linked down below, and go ahead and do that. And if I get something new or a credit or whatever, I will let you know there first. But yeah, so I don't know if I'm happy or not.
I mean, it's gonna be, remains to be seen.
I love learning new brands, so this is definitely a way to do that. So we will see what it is. But yeah, very strange. Anyways, if you like this kind of content and you want me to do more Thredup boxes or other kinds of boxes, make sure that you let me know down below and give this video a thumbs up so I know. And make sure that you subscribe to the channel and click that little notification bell so you're notified every time I release a new video. I release new videos every Sunday and Wednesday. But yeah, so this was a really quick video. We wanted to kind of get something up for you guys, even though the world is kind of chaotic for us right now.
Yeah.
And I didn't know there was only going to be 4 items. So there's that as well.
You also couldn't wait to open the box. Like, it was killing you.
Yeah, I wanted to know what was in here. I like getting designer items that I am not familiar with. It's, you know, designer isn't that easy. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and we will be back really soon, hopefully with something not box related, because we've done a lot of those lately.
Yeah.
But thank you guys so much.
Thank you all for watching.